Hello, our names are Abigail Adams and Emily Andreas, and we are students at Colorado State University in a Conservation Leadership Master's Program. We partnered with the Bulgarian Biodiversity Foundation alongside Parker Allen, who will be speaking on seagrasses, to conduct our master's capstone project on Greater Flamingo research at Atanasovsko Lake. This lake is a hypersaline lake along the Bulgarian Black Sea coast and is positioned along the Via Pontica migration route, making it a critical habitat for both migratory and local birds. In 2019, a colony of Greater Flamingos settled in the lake, which had previously never seen any long-term occupancy of flamingos. As this is a new situation, little is known as to why the flamingos have now settled at the lake and what effects they may have on the other species that utilize the lake. Our project was to develop preliminary information for future projects to build upon concerning the flamingos at Atanasovsko Lake. We did this by reviewing literature and synthesizing information from previous research on flamingos, in addition to GIS mapping of bird population counts from 2014 to 2022 to determine highly utilized areas by greater flamingos and two other species that are commonly found around the lake, black-winged stilts and avocets.
When looking at our results, as you can see, there are two figures. In Figure 1, there are 3 heat maps, also known as kernel density maps, created on QGIS. These heat maps were created based on proximity of the 3 bird species. Therefore, in the larger regions, that represents larger densities, and in the lighter regions, that represents lesser densities. Creating these maps have allowed us to determine if there is possible competition within specific basins in Atanasovsko Lake. The first map represents avocets, and here you can see darker regions in both the middle and southern region of the lake. The second map represents black-winged stilts, and here you can see a significant difference as the larger counts of this species is found in the southernmost region of the lake. The third map represents greater flamingos, and here you can see most larger regions are found in the northern region. We want to note this data is provided and collected by Peter Ionkov, an ornithologist who conducts monthly bird observational data in the lake itself. In Figure 2, this map displays a closer view of 2 basins representing the largest occurrences of both avocets and greater flamingos. Specifically, the basin on the left has high counts for both birds, meaning there could be possible competition between the two. Overall, the results of our maps indicate black-winged stilts are not found within the same basin as greater flamingos nor avocets. There can be many reasons as to why this is, such as a lack of competition over food and space. Although the basin mentioned before consists of high counts for both avocets and greater flamingos, they are found in different topographical regions of the basin, meaning avocets were found in lower depths on the west side, and flamingos were found in deeper depths on the east side. Our results suggest there may be competition, however, further analysis would need to be conducted. Moving forward, we recommend the continued observational data collection of the birds as well as their behavior, analysis on the variation of basin depth of the lake, and identification on a larger scale by grouping basins based on its regional characteristics and water conditions. We thank you for your time, and if you have any questions, please contact the Bulgarian Biodiversity Foundation.